Hey, alright guys, so little update for the channel. 6 years ago I started building a car, and I had some troubles where I had to sell this thing. I sold it to a friend of mine, and he kind of just sat on it, and it never really got finished. And then he sold it to somebody else, and the car just disappeared. A buddy of mine found the car where I thought it was at, and I got to talking to the new owner of the car and told him the story behind the car. And he said, "This is your car, come and get it." So, the plan is to stick shift this car, and we are going to dominate and take over the stick shift class. Come check it out. It's a Cadillac CTS-V. It meets the eye as that, but it's not really. So, we call this car the gray area, aka the land shark. There's a little video, you can check it up here, of how we were building the car. And where it was when I sold it. So this thing is actually a Mustang. It was built off a 93 notch. It's got Tim Lyons torque boxes in it. It's got a 15 by 14 underneath it. It's full Mustang 5 lug and Mustang suspension through and through, front to back. So it is stock chassis, but it's stock Mustang chassis with a Cadillac body on it. So what that tells you is this thing is going to have tons of travel, and this thing is going to lift and get down the track.
All right, what plans for it?
Twin turbo 427 JAC motor, stick shift with tick, competition clutch, and just all kinds of bald eagles. That's the plans for it. Super light, super fast, street car.
Can you handle it?
We're going to find out.
How big these tires are. And she's off.
So long, gay boys!
You're going to like spice this up, Michelle? Different angles?